Hi everyone, I'm Irma, and in this video I'm going to show you how to import and export templates from one website to another. Keep in mind, both have to be powered by Visual Composer. So, the first step is to download the Export-Import add-on from the hub. When that's done, we can go to our WordPress admin dashboard. Here, you can choose what to export: header, footer, sidebar, or a template. I want to export a template, so I'm going to open Global Templates. Here you can see all of your saved templates. Once you hover over one, here at the end you can click on Export. Now the template is being downloaded in a zip file. To import the template, simply go to your WordPress dashboard, locate Visual Composer, then Import, and you can upload the zip file right here. And the template is imported, and it will be available with all the other templates you have saved. Same goes for headers, footers, and sidebars, of course. Alright, now you can get to exporting and importing. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.